Action.
Say hi. Hi.
Music keeps me dancing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Say welcome back. Can you say welcome back? Yes. We are filming, and Jax is going to attempt to help Mommy bake an apple pie. Are we baking an apple pie today? Yes. A holiday classic, being that it is the holiday season, and this is going to go very well. Jax is going to help me put all the ingredients into the apples, right? Just quick disclaimer, I am not a very good person in the kitchen. I do not make fancy meals or fancy desserts or anything like that. So this is like a semi-homemade apple pie. Anybody can do it. We're cheating, and we are using the Pillsbury apple pie crusts. So we're gonna get started. So there goes my sister. So before we started filming, I actually already peeled and cut up a bunch of apples. I'm gonna cut up probably just maybe one or two more. It says for about six apples. We have pretty large apples, so I don't know if we'll need all 6 of them, but I did, before we filmed, go ahead and peel the apples and got them ready, and I'm just gonna actually peel a couple more to show you guys kind of how I did that. So I know they make like those peeler core slicer things, but we do not have one. And then I just make sure that the apples are thin so they all cook evenly. This is gonna be about 6 cups of apples. Jax, I need your help now, buddy. I feel like apple pie is such a classic like holiday recipe, but like nobody really makes it anymore because there's like so many other.
We'll try to get too fancy.
Yeah. Jackson, I need you.
Come on, let's go. Jax.
Come here. Okay. So we have to put the sugar in the apples, okay? You gonna help me pour it in? We need 3/4 a cup of sugar. Here's 1/4 a cup. We're gonna scoop this. Okay. Now can you take this and pour it on the apples? Pour it on the apples. Good job! Now we need to do that 2 more times. Okay. And do it again. Woo! 1 more time. Good job!
Good job.
Flour. Yep. So we're going to do flour, and we're going to put 2 of these in. Okay? Can you pour this in? Good job! 1 more. Good job! We're going to put a teaspoon of cinnamon in, okay? Ready? Can you pour that in? Good job! Mommy will do the salt. We just need a little bit of salt. And then we need lemon juice, which Daddy so graciously picked us up this morning. We need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice because this is going to make it nice and saucy.
It was free. I'm not gonna buy a whole thing of lemon juice. Scissors. Any scissors?
Okay, hold on, 1 more.
Hey Jackson, say cheese. Cheese.
Can you pour the lemon juice in? Good job! Okay, that's all of our ingredients, and now we're gonna mix this up. Okay? Can you help Mommy mix it?
Good job, Jax.
Yeah. Right there.
Good job, bud.
Okay. Now comes the important part. Let's move all this out of the way. Now we gotta put it in the pie. So I already put one pie crust on the bottom of the pan. And you have to make sure that the pie crust, since it's like a refrigerated pie crust, that it comes to room temperature. And if it's frozen, it obviously has to sit out longer. I think it says you can microwave it as well. Okay, ready? Now we have to pour this in here. You take the spoon and mommy will hold. Ready? Does that look yummy? Now we gotta put the other pie crust on top of it. Yeah? No, we're all done, I think, with the spoon, buddy. Okay. Ready? And we gotta put this on top. You wanna help mommy? Here, hold it. Put it on top. Now, I don't know how to make it look fancy, to be honest. So we're just gonna like tuck it in here. So I think you basically just have to seal the top crust with the bottom crust. Okay. And then the last step is to... Yeah, you're all done. You did a very good job. Hold it, mommy. Thank you. Give me a kiss. Preheated our oven at 425, so that's been already heating up and it is ready to go. And then you bake it for 40 to 45 minutes, or the apples are tender. But I think after the first 15 to 20 minutes, you have to get some tin foil and cover the edges so that the edges don't burn. I'm gonna try to make this look. Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Mommy's cookie.
So I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes so I know to put the foil on the edges, and then it'll probably cook for like a half hour after that. The 15 minutes is up and we're going to put the foil around the edges so they don't burn. Hence why you have to do it, because they're already browning. I just went ahead and like put some thin strips of foil. How do people do this without burning?
Gotta wear gloves. Clearly.
This is hard. Big tower. Ready to go back in for a half hour, and then our pie should be done. Apple pie is hopefully done. So it's been in here for a total of 45 minutes. The instructions say 45 to 60 minutes, so I guess it depends on your oven. We have a fairly small oven, so I always go with the lower time. Look good to you? Looks good to me.
Looks good to me.
Really need to let it cool, I think, like for at least an hour or two before you kind of dive in. So we're gonna let this cool for at least a little bit, and then we'll come back and my professional taste tester is going to try it and see how it tastes, and then we will.
Don't touch.
Cookie Monster, yes. And then we will be ready to go. So we'll be back with a taste test. So it's been, I think, a couple of hours, so we are going to cut the pie and have James taste test it. So traditionally, I feel like people always serve apple pie with ice cream and some whipped cream, so I have that ready for him as well. It's still a little warm, but I think that's okay.
It is still warm.
Is it?
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Is that copyrighted?
I give it a
You don't have to rate it.
9.8.
Okay, so that is it for our holiday dessert video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also this is a collaboration video. I will leave the link to the playlist of all the holiday desserts that have been participating in this open collaboration with Mandy in the Making. If you don't follow her, go check out her channel as well. Again, we decided to make an apple pie just because I feel like it's a very underrated holiday dessert. People try to be, I think James said this earlier, too fancy and doing all things that are not like the traditional holiday desserts. So we decided to go ahead and do the apple pie, super simple, semi-homemade apple pie. So again, let me know if you like this type of a video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope that you guys can get some inspiration from this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!